My name is Emmanuel, and I'm going to show you one of my projects I did in WINET. Here I have a combination of both HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript to create a base calculator computer. And I'll also let now just show you the results of this code. And here we have the base converter. Here's the base converter. We input our number that will 101011 from base 2. From base 2, that's binary, to base 10. And the result is 43, as you can see. And from base 8 to base 10. And from base 8 to base 10, as you can see, the result is 3328. And from base 10 to base 10, you can see the result is shown. And from base 16 to base 10, it is converting. So